tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. If you've ever found yourself staring at an empty ink cartridge, dreading the cost of a replacement, or wrestling with a finicky printer setup, then you are absolutely in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into a game changer for your home office, the HP Smart Tank 7001 wireless all-in-one ink tank printer. This isn't just another printer. It's a productivity powerhouse designed to banish your printing woes forever. Right out of the box, the first thing that impressed me was just how incredibly user-friendly this machine is. HP calls it one of the easiest to use tank printers, and I couldn't agree more. Forget those hour-long setup sagas. This printer gets you up and running almost instantly. The quick setup process is genuinely intuitive, and once it's connected, the reliable Wi-Fi means you can print and scan from anywhere in your home office without a hitch. And let's talk about the HP Smart app. It's brilliant. It transforms your smartphone into a command center, making mobile printing, scanning, and even managing your printer status ridiculously easy. No more running to the printer to scan a document. Just snap it with your phone and send it directly. It genuinely streamlines your workflow and lets you focus on what matters, not on struggling with technology. But what about the ink situation, you ask? This is where the HP Smart Tank 7001 truly differentiates itself. Say goodbye to expensive, wasteful cartridges and hello to the mess-free refill system. Seriously, this is a revelation. Replenishing ink is as simple as plugging the ink bottles into the corresponding tanks and letting them drain. There's no squeezing, no spilling, no ink-stained fingers. It's a cartridge-free design that's not just convenient, but also incredibly eco-conscious. You get a clear view of your ink levels, so you'll never be caught off guard mid-print again. This innovative approach to ink management is a huge win for both your wallet and the environment, making you wonder why all printers aren't designed this way. And speaking of savings, prepare to be amazed because this printer is fully loaded with savings. When HP says 2 years of ink included, they mean it. Right out of the box, you get enough original HP ink to print up to 8,000 vibrant color pages or a whopping 6,000 crisp black pages. Think about that for a second. 2 years of printing without having to buy another single ink cartridge. For anyone running a home office, a small business, or even just a busy household, this translates to massive cost savings and incredible peace of mind. This is truly best for low-cost, high-volume printing, allowing you to print everything from detailed reports to school projects without constantly worrying about ink costs. And don't think for a second that this affordability compromises quality. The best everyday print quality means crisp, sharp text for all your documents and frame-worthy photos with vivid, true-to-life colors. Plus, with key features like automatic two-sided printing, borderless prints, and seamless mobile and wireless capabilities, this printer is built to handle virtually any task you throw at it. So if you're tired of the endless cycle of expensive cartridges, messy refills, and complicated setups, the HP Smart Tank 7001 is your answer. Imagine a world where you rarely think about ink, where your prints are consistently stunning, and your printer simply works every single time. Reclaim your productivity, save big on ink, and streamline your home office. This is more than just a printer. It's an investment in efficiency and peace of mind. If you're ready to transform your printing experience and never dread an ink refill again, check the link in the description below to learn more and get your own HP Smart Tank 7001 today. You won't regret it.